Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload and manage files in Shopify. And there could be many use cases for this. Potentially you want to upload a PDF file with a price list or maybe a contract of some sort and make it available to your customers to download. Or possibly you want to add a separate image which you want to embed into a product description, not in the product images, but in the actual description. For this purpose, there's this really great feature in Shopify where you can practically upload any file. And I'll show you how to use it. So you have to be logged into your admin panel, then go to settings and look for files. Currently I have one sample file here uploaded, it's PNG. And before I kind of show you how to upload, and I will tell you a few technical things you should know. Number one, there in Shopify there's a limit for file size of 20 megabytes, and the resolution of the file, if it's like an image, should be no greater than 20 megapixels. It's very important. If those two conditions don't apply, you will not be able to upload a file. And here's an example of one of the images. Say this one, it's very large. I try to upload and you will see an error. Let's see. Let's refresh. Here we go. Sample image failed to upload. The image is simply too large. I have to compress it a little bit. So those two things, so 20 megabyte, the file should be no greater than 20 megabytes in size, and the resolution should be no greater than 20 megapixels. As well, if you're on a free trial plan, you're only limited to about 8 different file types that you can upload, but this doesn't apply if you're in a paid plan. And if you're in trial plan, you can only upload files such as JavaScript, CSS, GIF, JPEG, PNG, JSON, CSV, and PDF. But that's only if you're on trial. If you're on paid plan, there's practically no limit except of HTML files. And to upload a file, so you just basically click upload file button, and let's upload the PDF. This is sample PDF. Open. It's uploaded successfully. Here you go. The file has already been uploaded, and right now I can simply just copy this link and say I can paste in the browser. Here you go. I can access the PDF externally. So I can basically just share this file on social media, LinkedIn, you name it. Or maybe even I can even add it in the footer section of the website for others to download. So this is how you practically add files in Shopify. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.